Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis before, but it's been a couple weeks since the last time I did it. All these annotations here are from the previous period that I did do it. And the first thing right off the bat I need to do is some house cleaning here because right when I pulled it up, way too many annotations, but a very, very good day. And, like I said, from a charting perspective, a lot of updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning. And with house cleaning, I'm just going to get rid of these couple lines here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but in the spirit of, from a presentation standpoint, of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So get those lines out of there for now. But as far as updates, the first update is just based off a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So maybe some of you remember the last time I did the video and remember me talking about 0018 as a level of resistance with the price now above it. This would be considered the ideal area of support and the level that you really do want to see the price hold above. Because, if the price falls below it, at that point, that would be putting the price back inside of this range where it has just broken out of. And I assume I'm stating the obvious when I say, you really don't want to see the price going back to where it was, right? You don't want to see the price going back to ranges. You want to see the price just continue to progress forward. So, with that in mind, if the price, I'm not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend it pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even with a deeper pullback like that, from the big picture perspective, well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have this set of lows down there. So if you picture each of these as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So 0018, important level of support, but the good news is it's not like the price is even close to it right now. Preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above that purple line there, purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average, you can see it already bounced off it beautifully once right there. That would by far make the chart look the strongest, but by no means am I saying that if the price drops below that purple line, that everything's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all. That would just be, kind of the best case scenario. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, current one that the price is doing battle with is right here. You can see at 0023. Got above it temporarily today, but by the time the closing bell came around, basically closing right around that area. So I'm still going to consider that an area of resistance. If the price can push through, I'm not sure why that's not working. Give me a second. There we go. Got it figured out. So if the price can start to separate from 0023, the next key level of resistance up there at 0026. So no doubt about it, very nice day today. Really nice past couple of days, and as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows like it's been doing the past couple of weeks, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.